Anne Ogden Gaffney, and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making one of my favorite summer salads, which is a roasted corn and tomato salad. So first of all, we're just going to start off by putting a little bit of olive oil into a bowl. Now if you're barbecuing, you can strip the whole corn and literally just brush these with oil and just brown them on the grill before putting them in the salad. But today we're going to do, not everyone can barbecue, so I'm going to show you how to roast the corn kernels. So again, just a little bit of olive oil in here, and now I'm just going to tip the corn kernels into there and toss them in the oil. You never need very much oil for this kind of thing. Okay. Now I'm just going to tip them onto this baking sheet. You can do this if you want to in a frying pan. You know, this is kind of a quick, clean way to do it, because you don't have to watch it. You can do something else. Now put another little bit of oil in here, because I'm going to just toss those tomatoes in there. You can use the same bowl, it's all going into the same salad. Again, just to coat the tomatoes with a little bit of the oil. Okay, and the same thing, we're just going to spread them out on here, and we're just going to broil them. And we're going to keep these in the oven just so that they're browned. We're just going to put in some cider vinegar, pinch of salt. I'm just going to swish that around in there. And we're going to put in these chopped shallots. Well, they're minced really. I'm just going to leave those in there, and then get the next thing, which is the basil. Now this is one of the things that makes this so delicious. We're just going to tear up about 1/4 of a cup with basil, not to chop it. I mean, it's fine if you're chopping it into pesto, but for a salad like this, or if you're making pasta, it's great just to tear it like this, because what it does is it bruises the leaves. You know, basil's very, very tender. Okay, now I've just taken these out from under the broiler. They were under there for about 8 minutes. And one of the great things about using parchment paper is we're going to be just taking this all out. Is I can just literally pick it all out and tip it into my salad bowl. Okay, there we go. Now there are a couple of stragglers here, that's okay. But basically, the great thing about this is that look how caramelized these all are, but look how that is clean. And that's what I like. So, now just going to just mix this together. And it's pretty hot, as you can see. And I'm just going to put in the basil. What's going to happen with the herb is that now with the heat, it's just going to melt. It's just going to wilt slightly. I was going to say melt. It's not going to do that. The heat is just going to make it wilt slightly. And this is just. You can now let this cool down, or you can have it, or you can chill it. I like these kinds of things at room temperature. But this is a great way to use summer tomatoes and summer corn. Okay, so. And it's really couldn't be a whole lot simpler. Just going to put a little bit more salt in there. Okay, we're done.